All right. Bruno Mars. All right, another day, another vlog. I timeline wise, it's been 2 weeks in Indonesia and haven't been able to vlog because it's been raining. It's been hold on. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's been raining like crazy, so I haven't been able to go out. Like, I mean, I could have, but like it's raining like crazy, and I just didn't want to be honest. So been home, been inside, and then just really just like ordering food, living like a king, to be honest. It's getting a bit better. It's still cloudy. I think it's gonna rain in the afternoon or evening. So not really excited about that, but gonna try to go out as quickly as I can, and maybe get some content. We are going to go and eat Malaysian food. So very excited about that. Maybe a Malaysian food. I'm not really sure actually. We might get Japanese food. I don't know. But I think it's going to be Malaysian food. It's gonna be my first time vlogging in front of you. It's gonna feel weird.
Why? You can just do it.
Okay, we arrived at this like street of restaurant. I said we were gonna eat Malaysian food, but looks like we're gonna eat Korean food now. A lot of restaurants here open around like 4 dinner time. So this might be a challenge. Are you excited to do you want to be on my vlog?
No.
Okay. Are you excited for Korean food?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I don't know like, which ones.
I just slipped. Oh really?
Yeah.
That's fine. Do you want a bibimbap?
You wanted to, right?
Me?
Yeah.
It's fine.
We can
I'll eat one of those, the spicy ones. Can we cancel? Cancel. Try somewhere else. Alright, so we went into the restaurant that we searched online. Super shady. Very, like, I don't know. It's a weird atmosphere. Like, the waitresses were like schoolgirls. They were dressed like schoolgirls, like Japanese or maybe like Asian schoolgirls, which is weird. And also they didn't have the things that we wanted to eat, so we're not going there. We're trying to go around places and then seeing the menu first, then go in. Oh, that's dark. Seeing the menu first and then going in. No. Yeah. We decided to. Oh, thank you. We decided to eat at this restaurant. What's it called? Go Myoka? Go Shin Myok. I don't know. It's a Korean restaurant. It's the only one that's open and that has the stuff that we want to eat. A little bit expensive compared to like Indonesian food, and we'll be feasting with insects. There's a lot of insects in here. We just found a baby cockroach. Oh, I'm not going to show that. That's disgusting.
Boleh minta ini satu, J-Tubak satu, ya. Ini satu, dolsotnya satu, ini satu. Oke, jadi dolsot J-Tubaknya satu, size-nya mau apa? Size small satu. Oke, J-Tubaknya satu ya? Satu. Baik.
When a waitress doesn't take notes, just simpan aja.
That's fine. 違ったら
Really?
違ったと思うから。怒るけど。
Okay, all our food is here. We are gonna enjoy this and eat. And then we'll be back. What are we gonna do later?
You know what to do. Where do we go from here? Don't let it rule you. Everything's gonna be alright.
We're checking out Lawson, which is a Japanese convenience store in Indonesia. So interesting. All the stuff are in Indonesian, but oh, I thought I found something. It's nothing.
Everything is gonna be alright.
We're about to cross the road. We're about to cross the road with no traffic light. The black one? No. The green one. Go, 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 go. The next one. Is the car right of way?車優先なのこれ。Watch the bike. You're on the wrong side of the fucking road. What the fuck? 全部ありやん。何でもあり。Alright, that was nerve-wracking, but we made it. We're now at the mall. Am I in the fountain? I'm in the fountain. Yeah, no traffic lights in Indonesia. You guys gotta be careful. Nah.
Yep.
Yep. Came to a game center? A game center at Indonesia. Photo booth.
Smile.